All right, here we go with example number one with diagonals that bisect each other, and we're talking about rhombus specifically. So again, we're talking a little bit specifically, and I'm going to try to do this best I can as far as the drawing is concerned. So we're talking specifically about a rhombus. So when we know that there's a rhombus, that means we see diagonals in here. That means we know that also all the sides are congruent. The diagonals are going to be, as we say, are perpendicular. Okay, in that scenario. Okay, so that means also that we have the option of, because we're dealing with angles here. Okay, when we talk about angles, that means we are probably going to be dealing with bisecting them. So when we talk about bisecting, we are cutting them in half, or we're going to double them, whatever it may be. So here we go. So we're talking about W, Z, X here. So we're talking specifically about this angle right here. Okay, so this one is 39.5. Okay, so that means if we were to do that, that means this side, well, we got that information here. So we're looking for what? We want to find the measurement of Z, Y, X. So we're looking for this. Let's do this in a different color. Let's go green here. So we want to look for Z, Y, X, which is this whole angle right there. Okay, so with that being said, let's go ahead and think about this. So I'll go back into red here. And we're talking about, if this is 39.5, we also know that this side is also going to be 39.5. Okay, so that means we're going to get a total for this angle right here of 39.5 and 39.5. I'm going to get my calculator out for this so it helps us out here. Turn it on. 39.5 times 2 gives us an answer of 79 degrees. So 79 degrees. Now, if we know that this thing right here is 79 degrees, we know, and let's do it with a different color here. Let's go with orange here. So we know that these two angles, if we were to take them, we know that they equal 180 degrees, right? So we have this one 79, and we know this together equal 180 degrees. So all we have to do is take 180 degrees and subtract 79 from it, and that will give us our answer. So that would give us, I think, 101 degrees. So that would be our answer there. So it's asking for the full angle. If we were asking for only half of it, then we would cut that in half, which would be like 50.5 or something like that. But that's all we're solving for. All right. Hope that helps you out. Gives you a good idea. See you on to the next example.